10 health benefits of hemp seeds. Packed with protein, healthy fats, fiber, and essential minerals, hemp seeds offer numerous health benefits. They're easy to add to smoothies, yogurt, salads, or baked goods, making them a simple and natural way to boost well-being. Here are 10 notable health benefits of hemp seeds. 1. Excellent source of plant-based protein. Hemp seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein. This is ideal for those on plant-based diets or anyone looking to increase protein intake naturally. 2. Heart health support. With a perfect balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, hemp seeds promote heart health. These fats help reduce inflammation and may lower cholesterol and blood pressure levels. 3. Improves skin conditions. The fatty acids in hemp seeds are known to reduce skin dryness and itching. They may help with eczema and other skin issues by improving moisture and reducing irritation. 4. Hormonal balance. Gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, found in hemp seeds, supports hormone balance. It can ease symptoms of PMS and menopause such as mood swings and bloating. 5. Supports digestion. Whole hemp seeds are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain regular bowel movements. Fiber also supports healthy gut bacteria. 6. Boosts the immune system. Hemp seeds are high in vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, zinc, and magnesium, which strengthen the immune system and protect cells from damage. 7. Helps manage blood sugar. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing energy crashes and sugar cravings. 8. Supports brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids play a key role in brain function. Regular intake of hemp seeds may support memory, focus, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. 9. Strengthens bones. Hemp seeds are rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, minerals essential for bone strength and health, especially as we age. 10. Aids in weight control. Their high protein and fiber content helps you feel full for longer, reducing overeating and aiding healthy weight management. Hemp seeds are a simple, nutritious addition to daily meals. Whether you're seeking better heart health, stronger bones, or improved digestion, these tiny seeds deliver big benefits. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.